This is a bird with a serious cleanliness problem. He scrubs the areas where he stands with snakeskin. Even his own territory is cleaned. Remove any unwanted roots, and throw away any unwanted branches, and make sure no leaves are left behind. And when it's clean, he'll find a few more little red fruits to decorate the grounds. So he's trying to set up a stage for his performance. When everything is ready, it started the rehearsal for today's show. He's shaking his head and wiggling his ass like that. They have a nice name. It's called the bird of paradise. It's a bird that lives in the subalpine jungles of the New Guinea. They usually show off their beautiful dance form and song to win their mates' hearts. With his lavish decorations, soon a female is attracted to him, ready to enjoy his beautiful dance. The male is ready to take advantage of this courtship. He's ready to put on a show. First, he makes a discreet bow, with a small bow, and then he begins his formal performance. And when he's done, the male rushes to the female to express his love and admiration. But as we all know, ass kissers never end well. So as the saying goes, love is like falling leaves, it's either green or withered.